Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change password of the Gmail ID. Because sometimes we need to change our password on the Gmail ID. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Play Store and then update your Gmail ID. So after updating, then update your Gmail applications. So after updating, click on open options, and then you will see profile icon. Click on it and then click on manage your Google account, and then you will see the option of security. Click on it, then scroll down the page and you will see password options. Click on it, and here you can see new password and confirm new password, and write here your new password. So after writing new password and then confirm your new password, so after that click on change password and then click on change password. So you can see my password is changed. So in this way, you can change your password on the Gmail ID. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.